What up? This is Uptown Swing, level 1 6 count, week 3.
Patty.
Peter. Y'all did a great job. We did a review on Frankie sixes, and then we did some of this new stuff that starts out similar. So it starts out like Frankie sixes with this top turn. We changed places. I've changed hands rather, but then we just did this turn. Real simple. And also have the same thing except a free turn. Then we worked on doing one of those, and we just took this. And then out of that, I'm gonna scoop my partner up. I said, come here, scoop. We will practice like give everybody some turn there and make that happen. Then we try that same sort of idea, that turn, and do a send out. Hey. Scoop my partner up, and then a send out. And basically, I had you all try just doing a lot of social dance, and we start out in closed position, and you either do a send up or you do a tuck turn. From there, you can either do Frankie sixes, some of those turns, or you can come back together and try to send out again, start it over looply, just keep on dancing and try to give you some social dance practice. So, good luck getting your practice in.